Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Mr. Dancy Pants, and today we're bringing you another tutorial, this time for the elephant knot. Now before we begin, I want you to go down, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and that will let you know every time I upload a new video, and it will let me know that this is the kind of content that you enjoy. So let's go ahead and take off the vest, take down the knot, and we'll begin.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top of the world.
So we're going to start this knot with the blade of our tie on the right side, the tail of our tie on our left. We're going to go ahead and fold the blade in and fold it back to get our crease. And we're going to bring that to the center button line. The tip of our blade should be about 4 fingers above our belt line. And we're going to take the tail, we're going to bring it over the top, around the back, from right to left, and then over the front one more time. Just like that. So it goes all the way around once. Now we're going to bring it behind the knot and up through the collar. Just like that. Now we're going to bring it from the center of the collar, we're going to bring it over to the left, but we're going to loop our finger in, and we're going to put our other finger on the other side of the knot. So we're basically holding the knot between our first and middle finger, and we're going to loop this around those 2 fingers and tuck it back into the collar. So we've got this loop here. Now you're going to want to hang on to this part right here to secure this so that you don't lose this. Now we're going to take the tail of the knot and we're going to bring it back across there. So this is where it gets a little tricky. So we're bringing it across here to create sort of a crossbar, just like we were doing some of our previous knots, except there's nothing securing this just yet. So we're bringing the tail behind the knot up through the collar, just like that. Now, we're going to open up this loop to get into that cross section right there, and we're going to bring the tail through it. Just like that. So this is now what is securing this loop. So you want to just pull this up to tighten the cross section and then pull that down to secure it. Now you can then re-stretch this loop here. Go ahead and massage that a little bit here. Now, you're going to want to take these 2 pieces right here, these 2 sides of the loop, and go ahead and fold that. So we've got the back of the tie, the back of the tail of the tie, showing right there. Now, through this loop, we're going to take the blade and what's left of the tail, and we're going to feed it through from back to front. So we're going to go ahead and fold this up to make it a little easier. Thread it through and just pull it. And that gives us the elephant's ears. So now you can go ahead and pinch that so that it kind of folds in on itself like that. And then you can just continue to tighten it until it is where you want it, holding it secure, and then pull it down. That will kind of pinch the ears up here and give you that elephant trunk shape. Now you're going to hold on to the blade of the tie right here and then shift up the knot like that. Now you can lower your collar and make sure that your elephant ears are on the outside. Just like that. So there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the elephant knot. This is an excellent knot for solid colored ties and for ties that have a very fine pattern on it. This is really good for shirts that have a wide collar as well. If you like what you see, go down and hit the thumbs up button. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will happily respond to them. So until next time, take care.
I mean the kind of music men hum or whistle when they feel on top